Sparing your time for us on
Thank
this
you.
important day. Thank you.
And now correspondent Shama Mishra is joining us from Mumbai. Shama, how does the picture look to you at this point in time? How would you interpret the results?
Well, Munmun, for starters, it's a day filled with surprises for BJP and NDA here in Mumbai and here in Maharashtra, because NDA and BJP, they were expecting a whole lot of seats, parliamentary seats, but to their surprise, to their setback, they have not been able to get that kind of number, and to everybody's surprise, INC and BJP are running neck to neck, and at some point where the trends are emerging, even the INC is taking a lead. So for now, we can confirm that 3 seats have been gone to BJP, and this is Satara, from where the descendant of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he was contesting, Udayan Raje Bhosle. So he has won. Narayan Rane from Ratnagiri Sindhudurg and Hemant Savra, he has won. So 3 candidates for now have already been declared as winner, and 7 are leading. So for now, we can say that for the rest 2 also, Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray, they have been declared that 2 seats have gone to them, and likewise for the Sharad Pawar NCP, 2 seats have gone to them. But yeah, there's a big setback over here for BJP, because BJP and Sena, that is Eknath Shinde, because Mumbai was said to be the stronghold of NDA, but here we are seeing that apart from Ujjwal Nigam, rest everywhere else, the lead is being taken by the Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray, and that is what is coming as a big setback. We are also seeing that at BJP office, usually the celebrations begin much earlier, but now just a while back the celebrations have begun, and while talking to the spokespersons, we have understood that there is a need for introspection at the state party level from the leaders, and given the fact that Maharashtra will soon be seeing its assembly elections in the later part of the year, this is a very crucial moment for NDA, and going ahead with the same alliance, with the same parties, will be a challenge for them, will be a big question mark for them. Munmun.
We know that this election was very different because we are seeing Shiv Sena divided, NCP divided, and instead of 2 parties, we are seeing 2 NCPs in a sense and 2 Shiv Senas. What are you hearing on the phone calls that we understand Sharad Pawar has been making since this afternoon? Are some backdoor attempts underway to pull up some sort of a surprise, even though the mandate is for the NDA?
Well, it's too early to say, but definitely, as we are talking about, there were no celebrations here at the BJP office, and likewise, the attendance at various Eknath Shinde's office or NCP's office was also low. So definitely, there'll be talks going on, and we've already heard the Sharad Pawar's press conference, where he has mentioned several points that this time around the Marathi votes, the Muslim votes have gone to them, and this has been a major setback to NDA, because they were hopeful that these all sections would be attracted towards them, but that has not happened. Even we are talking about Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray, we are also hearing from them that what BJP or NDA expected and what the Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde expected, it did not go according to them. But it's too soon for us to make any assumptions, because as you've mentioned, a lot of phone calls have already been going, and at BJP also we were hearing that the top leaders of the state are actually now talking with each other. They are getting their leads from Delhi, what the Delhi office is saying, and likewise they will be performing or acting as they say. So we are understanding that since the celebration is very dimmed over here, and rest of the places also, Eknath Shinde and NCP, they have not been able to they've not been able to get good numbers. And while we are talking about NCP, Ajit Pawar, we have to say that the tough competition, that the hot seat, VIP seat of Sunetra Pawar versus Supriya Sule, that we've already been speaking about this particular seat a lot. Sunetra Pawar is trailing, and Supriya Sule looks like Supriya Sule has a comfortable win over there. So we are understanding, that while the parties have broken out, have fallen out from each other, from the parent political party, the gain is clearly going towards the parent political party. And now we have to definitely see, because earlier it was a question of existence for Sharad Pawar's NCP and for Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena, but now we are clearly seeing that they are rising from the dust, and now we will have to wait and watch what really happens in Maharashtra, whether it's the MVA coming together again, or there'll be some new permutations and combinations.
Like we know the Uddhav